Your Excellencies, Minister Apisak, Minister Dr. Uttama, Governor Bank of Thailand, Dr. Wiratai, esteemed guests, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. It's my pleasure to welcome you to the Thailand Focus 2015 conference. We thank Patra Securities and the Stock Exchange of Thailand, our partners in this event again, for helping to lead this unique gathering. It's now the 5th year of the Thailand Focus Conference, and the conference is entrenched as one of the most prominent economic forums in Southeast Asia for investors, institutions, and advisors. We're continuing to have an excellent run in terms of participation, both from investors and participating corporations. This year, 800 attendees and over 200 leading corporates gathered in the forum. A number of themes that you'll hear through the next few days, and indeed that we heard through some of the remarks this morning: regional economic integration, growth momentum, capital markets development as it relates to Southeast Asia generally and specifically to Thailand. In terms of regional economic integration, the next panel up will actually cover some of that with the TPP conversation. The continued growth underpinning Thailand and the broader ASEAN, with an audience of 626 million people and a GDP of 2.4 trillion, continues to underpin the excitement of ASEAN and indeed the role that Thailand plays in the exciting growth for this part of the world. And of course, we've had the ASEAN Economic Community coming to fruition this year, which will bolster more interregional growth and again lift the boat of growth for the region. In terms of growth momentum, Thailand's long-term growth prospects continue to remain favorable despite headwinds that are going on in the rest of the world and the region. Robust GDP growth, continuing favorable strong demographics, central location again in a fast-growing ASEAN region. The comments that we heard this morning around public spending, growth engines around tourism continue to manifest themselves in reasonably good growth for Thailand in the foreseeable future, and of course the public investment spending program. The overall business environment from our perspective for Thailand remains positive, low interest rates, very stable banking environment, well-capitalized banks, and a conducive investment climate leading to growth. From a capital markets perspective, Thailand this year has actually led the Southeast Asian countries, and particularly from the equity capital markets perspective, where a total of $3.8 billion of equity offerings have come from Thai corporates this year, which eclipses that of Singapore, Indonesia, Malaysia. We just partnered with our partner Patra on closing an IPO for a Thai corporate just last week, Star Petroleum. So it underlines and punctuates the incredible rate of activity, which reflects both domestic and international investor positive sentiment on Thailand. So we're very, very proud to be part of that. At Bank of America and Merrill Lynch, we understand that understanding these regions and navigating the challenges, discerning the opportunities, comes from both a global institution but a partner network that we have here on the ground with our partners at Patra. And we hope that you take these sessions in terms of kind of identifying companies or sectors or thematics for which you're interested. Use the 2 days to make the connections, and obviously we're here to help answer questions and help make this conference what it continues to be, which is a wonderful forum both for issuers, investors, and government officials to get together to discuss things. So thank you very much again. We appreciate your attendance and support, and I hope you have a very educational, beneficial conference. Thank you.